The new module sewage systems allows you to design indoor gravity sewage system with direct ventilation of risers or with ventilation collectors. The general data and project options define the most important parameters of the installation, including minimum pipe run gradients, which are automatically included in the installation model during design. The module enables the insertion of sanitary fixtures or may use fixtures introduced at an earlier stage of hot and cold water installation project. Risers can be automatically ended with elements providing ventilation. The calculations, apart from the balance of flows and the determination of diameters, also perform the automatic vertical layout of pipe runs of the installation, taking into account also the limitations resulting from the geometry of the design elements. A list of pipes and fittings is also generated automatically. The drawing documentation is supplemented with an automatically generated schematic view of the installation.